ken nalawag, mabigat yung amin apo, abtugaw kayo apo. Happy 60th Charter Day anniversary, Lawag. Before I continue, let me greet the members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, Apo Konsahal Derek Lau, Konsahal John Michael Fariñas, Konsahal Jeff Fariñas, Konsahal Conrado Respicio, and Konsahal and incoming Vocal RJ Fariñas. Kablawag man, dagiti kagadwa tayo nga agsusurvey iti gobyerno syudad, dagiti department heads, ken division chiefs, amin nga empleyado, dagiti panakabagi, dagiti national government agencies. Let me take this opportunity to greet the representative of the Philippine National Police, Police Captain Alice Vicente, the representative of the Bureau of Fire, Police PC Inspector Arnel Ratuita, the head of BJMP, Sheila Marie Sacaden. Let me also greet the Department of Education, represented here by Dr. Joanne Corpus. Let me also greet the City Prosecutor's Office, represented by Gifford Eusebio Tumaneng. To all the barangay officials, good morning. Kasamati syudad, napalaos man tiraksak ko, ang makadwagen makipagrambak, katakata kayo ita. Kada ito'y na isang sangayan nga okasyon. Today, we mark a remarkable milestone in the life of our beloved city. 6 decades since Lawag officially became a city by virtue of Republic Act number 4584. 60 years of history, 60 years of evolution, 60 years of struggle, setbacks, problems, triumphs, growth, and transformation. Lawag City did not become what it is today because of the work of one mayor or of one administration. The story of Lawag is the story of every mayor who once held this office. From the time of the late Mayor Eulalio Siason, our first city mayor, down to my immediate predecessors, each one of them, regardless of the times they governed in, laid the bricks of the foundation we stand upon today. They made difficult decisions, introduced bold visions, worked tirelessly for the betterment of our Kailian. And here I am, the 11th Amati Syudad. And so I say to all of you, we are celebrating today the fruit of collective leadership and evolution of public service that has been passed from one administration to the next. Whatever we reap today, whether they be achievements or shortcomings, are part of that continuous story. And the future that awaits our city, it will once again depend on those who will take the mantle of leadership after me. That is the beauty and burden of public service. It is never about one individual or one administration. It is always about the collective roles that each one of us plays and the shared legacy we leave behind for the generations to come. I also wish to give honor where honor is due to our loyal and hard-working employees of the city government of Lawag, past and present. Dahil dinagbalin nga pasetyo, iti pagkasaritaan ti syudad tayo. Iti naglabas nga inem adikada. Mabalin nga adu kada kayo dito iti nagserbi. Babaen iti maysa, dua, wenno talo nga administration kay adupay dagiti sumaruno kanya. Kadagiti patpatyek akailian, agyamanak iti talek suporta ken kooperasyon nga ipakita yo ti administration ko. As we look forward, may this Diamond Charter Day remind us that whether we are public officials, employees, or just ordinary citizens, we play an important role in shaping Lawag City's destiny. Let us continue working hand in hand to build a city that not only honors its past, but also welcomes the future with optimism. Before I end, allow me to thank the different religious denominations that came here and prayed for Lawag City. Palakpakan tayo ako. Let me also greet and thank the Samiweng singers. And I want to say to all of you, it has been an honor to have served the city of Lawag. I will move on as we will all move on. Let us continue to serve this beloved city of ours. To all of you, Diyos ti agnina, kada kayo amin apo. Thank you.